Hang on, look at. So this is at 55% right now.
This is around a 55% reduction on the ballast.
So 45% low.
Right.
Sorry, and these are non-dimmable lamps. These are standard off-the-shelf lamps, a T5 and a plug-in compact.
They're just getting less power, and
they're just getting less power.
So that's a standard GE bulb, the one, the fluorescent along the top, is a standard GE T5 bulb.
And
ballast.
That's at full power.
Okay. So it's more, but the first one's not unlivable in the daytime.
Correct.
Right.
But people wouldn't typically reduce that amount. You wouldn't need to. So I'm going to turn over a little bit more here.
And stop. Right there.
Okay.
Okay, so you're 25, 27.
We're about 40% reduced.
That's about 35-40% right there.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
And then. That's it.
Yeah, that's 100.
That's 100, and that's reduced.
It's 35%
Nice.
reduction.
Yeah, so you save 35% in your lighting power bill right there.
Right.
Marginal difference. Plus, you're not going to be staring at the light all day. It's actually just going to be up your head.
Great point.
Okay.
So we built this thing from day one. So Ontario is one of the cheapest jurisdictions in North America.
Yeah.
We're 10 cents a kilowatt hour up there.
At peak.
At peak. It's actually 9.9 cents.
Okay.
Right? And so we built this thing from day one, designed to be 2-year payback period with no grants, no rebates, at 10 cents a kilowatt hour Canadian. So when we come into a jurisdiction like here, I think you're about 14, 15 cents, right? So add 50% or reduce 50% your ROI on that one as well. So it's extremely, extremely cost efficient.
Yeah.
And also given the fact that because we have these grant programs, we have them in Ontario, we qualify for one here in California as well, and we're actually going to some of the other utilities. This thing here, the ROI turns in a matter of literally just a single-digit few months for getting this thing through the door.
And you install it. You don't have to go to every fixture. Because it's amazing when you look around, even in a small office like this, there are a lot of lights on the roof. But you never pay attention to it, but they're there.
But see, this is the thing that kind of blew us away when we kept looking at this as technology guys, as networking guys. Someone has certainly had to do this before. Why hasn't somebody thought about this thing? You have your edge devices called lights or PCs or laptops, but you have a router and a gateway or a server. Why didn't someone build a server or a gateway technology or a router technology? That's exactly what that is, right? So we view the circuit breaker panel as an analog router. All we're doing is we're marrying the two together as a termination point, which architecturally is a far more elegant solution than going from node to node to node, which CFOs hate.
Yeah, exactly. Maintenance guys hate it too.
One of the other key things about compatibility that we haven't mentioned is all the other systems, they require you to put in dedicated dimmable ballasts or LED or what have you. We're heterogeneous. So we don't care. We don't care if you have lights that you installed 10 years ago and you've replaced some of them with ones from today or what have you. The unit will continue to provide power savings. Similarly, you put this in now, if you're going to upgrade down the road to LED or induction lighting, this will continue to work with those solutions.
I mean, it's very construction light, right?
That's correct.
You're putting it in, that's it, and you're done.
Industrial.
Yeah, I mean, the other solutions are very elegant and they have some nice solutions, but they're really focused on showcase properties where you're going to put them in at the time of construction and you want to spend the money. This works in any retrofit scenario as well as any new showcase. We're doing both in our go-to-market.
Big box stores.
It's great because
factories.
We can do basically any industrial commercial building, be in and out of there within 30 to 40 minutes, and provide the power savings immediately.
And here's an additional business case. And